Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can watch YouTube right in your car. Just a quick reminder before we start. Always use apps responsibly, and never while driving. Your safety comes first. The app we're using is called CarTube, which lets you stream YouTube and other platforms directly on your car's display. Simply connect your device using Bluetooth or a wired CarPlay connection, and you're set. CarTube is easy and convenient to use, so if you're interested in learning how to install it and enjoy YouTube in your car, stay tuned. I'll guide you through every step. Let's start by optimizing some settings. Open your device's settings and go to Battery. Check that low power mode is turned off to avoid impacting the app's performance. Then go back to the main settings menu, select General, and tap Background App Refresh. Ensure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data is enabled. This setting ensures the app can refresh its content in the background, allowing it to operate smoothly. Once you've completed the initial checks, we can move on. Open your browser and go to findplugin.com, a reputable site for various modded applications. Look up CarTube and select it from the search results. You'll see a page with details like the number of downloads and community ratings. Click the Download Now button to start the download and installation process. This should be quick, and you'll soon receive a confirmation message indicating a successful installation. If the message doesn't appear, it might mean the server needs updating and additional files need to be downloaded. Don't worry, the screen will provide clear instructions to guide you through this straightforward step. Once completed, the system will download the necessary files, finalizing the installation. I've already installed it myself, and it works perfectly. And that's it. This covers the complete method of acquiring CarTube for iOS devices. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you found it helpful and everything is working well, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks, and take care.